front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off simple mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access System and Updates. Following that, click on Simple Mode and select Enable at the bottom in order to activate it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on Settings again. But this time choose More Settings at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and access the same options. Or just tap on Settings and click on Exit Simple Mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!